old friend Sam Print is back once again.
Hey, that's me, and that's me too. But that's not the only thing that's going on at Rapid TCT and this fantastic Creality booth. Let's look at some of these awesome products.
You are watching a master at work.
So there's a particular focus this year at the Creality booth around ecosystem. It's not just 3D printers, it's scanners, it's laser engravers. There's plenty of things to get your teeth into if you're a maker or a creator. The Creality K1, the Creality K1 Max, the Ender 3 V3, the Ender 3 V3 SE, and the Ender 3 V3 Plus. Hey! Hey! Hey there. You want to be involved?
Yes. Sure.
Okay, we're going to do it together, okay? It's the Sermon D3 Pro.
Okay. So I should say that?
Yeah, say it now.
Okay. It is sermon. What's the?
It's called a D3 Pro.
It's called what?
It's called the Sermon D3 Pro.
D3 Pro. Yeah.
That was amazing.
Okay.
That would be fine. The Creality Falcon 2 Pro.
This is the Space Pie Skybox.
Space Pie.
Space Pie.
The Creality K2 Plus. It's the Halot Mange S and Wash and Cure box. What time is it? Well, it's Creality time. Oh, I broke it. Literally broke.
As a responsible industry evangelist, we are eager to sponsor 3D printing contests.
The Pyocrete G12. Come here. G12.
G12.
And this is David.
Yeah, this is David. I
Say,
know.
say hi, David.
Hi, David. Hi, dude.
He's fine.
Yeah.
He's fine.
Oh, yeah. He's a little stiff.
He's a little stiff. He's fine. He's fine. He's okay. He's okay. Sam Prentice. No. The Pyocrete G5.
Color printer.
Pellet printer. So if you're a maker or a creator, definitely Creality.com is the place to be for laser cutting, 3D printing, resin printing, and scanning. Check it out today at Creality.com. Hey, Optimus, come here. Stroke my cat.
All right.
Not there, here. Can you do, what's your best cat impression?
All right. What?
Are you purring? What's your cat impression? Make a cat noise.
Cat noise. All right.
Ready?
All right.
Optimus is now going to do a cat noise.
Yep. I don't know how to do that actually.
We're here with Optimus, the Creality Forum supervisor, the man in charge of your
Sorry
forum.
about that.
He is waiting for you. Forum.creality.com.
Yeah.
Yeah, good man. Thank you.
No problem.
There we go.
You are watching a master at work.